all I do to unlock this is I double tap and it opens up, right? Now here I have all my notifications, that's the message that's coming. But for example, all I want to do if I want to get into the home screen is I swipe it. And this is what's called the Fastline. This is the one that we're really proud about. This is the innovation that we're talking about. Is it shows you the last 50 things that you've done on the phone, from quicker to everything that I've done on this phone, right? So let me come to the Fastline once I show you the design. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So if you look at the design, it's beautifully built. This is what was the Nokia design language. It's a single piece. It's got that premium finish, brilliant colors. It's got a very, very seamless design that gives you that brilliant look. What you see is, for example, all I do to unlock this is I press this. Right now, it's built inside out. It's a beautifully designed smartphone inside out. So if you look at it inside, it's very beautiful. Now, look at the way it goes. So I can, for example, change the panels. I can put a red panel. I can, for example, put in a yellow panel. The thing that you like about the design is look at the feel, look at the sound that you hear when it goes in. You see that? That's the pure Nokia design. That's the build quality that Nokia is known for, and that's the design that we're proud of. Beautiful, seamless design. You've got brilliant colors between red, yellow, green. You just got some very, very good colors. So that's on the design. So let me show you on the interface right now. What happens on the interface? So let's start with the interface. This is the lock screen, right? Now, for example, all I do is I tap this and it opens up, right? Now I swipe that, I got what's called the Fastline. Now Fastline shows me everything that I've done for the last 50 things that I've done. So I was just demoing somebody the game of Lock Breaker. I was browsing the IPL, I was browsing CNN, I was playing Fling, I was looking at some of the pictures that I've taken at the launch. So everything that I've done, the last 50 things that I've done is here on the Fast. Now let's see how we can use Fastline to multitask, right? So let's say, for example, I want to look at the IPL T20. So there I log into IPL T20, see this, I select the browser. Just give me a second. Or let me look at something else. So for example, I look at IPL Club, right? So it lets me access these pages on through multi-tab browsing. It lets me go there. Now, for example, I want to switch to say playing a game of Fling. I don't need to go back and press the back button. All I need to do is come here and swipe up, right? And that's the beauty of Fastline. Now, say for example, I want to play a game of Fling, right? I select Fling and I start playing Fling. Just give me a second for that. So let's start playing Fling. There you go. Right, so sorry, I tap that out, I tap that in, I play that, right? Now say for example I'm bored, I don't need to go back. All I need to do is swipe and I'm back in the Fastline. I can pick up something else to do, for example. I can look at the pictures that I've taken, right? So this is the picture that was taken at the launch conference and Stephen was presenting it, right? Now I can do that. Now again I want to go back, all I need to do is swipe there and I'm back to the Fastline. So that's the beauty of Fastline. It lets me switch, multitask between everything I want. Okay, so you want to look the rest of the interface, for example. This is the app store. Now, if you look at the way the screen's been designed, it's been optimized to ensure the visibility. The screen gets its due credit. So I'm not going to waste space doing options, menus, etc. Let's look at an example. Let's look at contacts, right? So this is how a contact is. Now look at the way I can swipe in and out for everything. I move it down, I get to search, right? I leave it here. Now, if I swipe to the right, I go back to the apps page. I swipe to the left, I go back to the apps page. I swipe down, I get to wireless control center, which gives me access to Bluetooth bypass. I swipe up and I got the menu options in front of me. So there is something hidden on all the four sides that you can swipe in and swipe out. So what that does is it enables me to give you a lot more space on the screen. The screen is not occupied with unnecessary buttons that are not, that's something the consumer does not make. So that's how I look at it. Right? So you looked at the design, you looked at Fastline. What I'd also look at is the Internet Explorer, the Internet browser. Right? So I've got this multi-tab browsing, so let me just open IPL T20. I'm not sure if it's
Are you connected to the Wi-Fi or
no? I'm connected onto the SIM right now. Yeah,
okay.
I'm connected onto the 2G SIM right now. So maybe I'll connect here. So this is the IPL page, for example. Now what it does is the page is being optimized, so it ensures 90% data compression. What that does is it enables faster download, more affordable download. So that's something that's really useful to the consumers that you're looking at. Right? So this is the page. Now if you look at this, the search bar is not here, the tab bar is not here. All I need to do is swipe this up and there it is. So there's no space wasted doing this. That's the thing, that's the other useful thing. Now let's look at Express now that Peter just announced. So you go here, you press the star, you press this and you go to Nokia Express now. What Nokia Express now does as a web app is it looks at what are the trending topics that are happening around you in the country that you're based out of. It could be any topic and it just pushes that into you. If somebody who's accessing internet for the first time is not sure what to look for, it gives you access to everything. So what is big right now? Bollywood's big, IPL's big. That's the trend, that's the big trend.